Hello, hello, hello everyone. I am doing a chicken and white sauce with veggie gravy. I'm doing it for Freeze Dry Friday for the collaboration that everyone's doing. And this is just a simple, easy white sauce gravy to go on top of mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, biscuits, buns, just about anything. Alright, in here I have a can of my home canned, a 1 quart jar of my home canned herbed chicken. Right before I can it, I add a little bit of parsley and basil and then can it. Boom. It's great. And then to it, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons each of Thrive Life peas, onions, peppers, carrots, and corn. Then I'm going to add half a jar, so 2 cups of, is it 2 cups? Yeah, 2 cups of hot water to get all that flavor off the inside, and to add some more water for the veggies and the bechamel sauce, I guess you call it, from Thrive Life. It's creamy white sauce. And let me do that. We'll be back. Alright, 2 cups of warm water. Woo! Then we're just going to mix it all up and turn it on and let all of this rehydrate. And we'll have to add just a little bit more water for when we make the actual gravy. But here we go. We'll be back. Alright, here we go. It has been cooking and bubbling for about 20 minutes. I like to really cook it down to make sure that the veggies are very nice and soft and creamy, and we just like it better that way. Alright, generally there wouldn't have been this much water absorbed, but I was asked to add more onions and peppers, so I'm going to add a little bit more water than you need to. You only need to add half a cup. I'm going to be adding a cup because more of mine got absorbed. Alright, then we're going to add a couple of dashes of pepper. Couple of dashes of pepper, so half a teaspoon. And then we want a full teaspoon of parsley. If you do fresh parsley, it's just a small little handful of fresh parsley chopped, because fresh parsley is way stronger than this. Alright, now we're just going to mix it up. Oh, a steamy camera. Alright. Now for the bechamel sauce. We're going to want 3 tablespoons. Sometimes a little bit more. I'll show you whether or not we need to add more. It all depends upon water level. So start out with 3 and add more if you need to, and I need to add a little bit more. So I'm going to add another tablespoon. Ooh, that's looking good. Make sure you get it good and mixed. Mmm. It is so beautiful. Now, if you just used plain water for the bechamel sauce, it would be whiter and more creamy. But this is chicken broth and water in here because this is home canned chicken. There we go. Now we're just going to let this boil for, not boil, simmer for a couple of minutes until it thickens. And then it's good to go. I think that is done. Look at that. Perfect chicken and veggie gravy for on top of biscuits, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, or buns. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, leave me a thumbs up down below and a comment on what you'd like to see me make next or possibly make next. I know for sure I'm going to be filming tacos using home canned hamburger and Thrive Life veggies. Alright everyone, we'll see you in the next one, and remember, stay positive. Bye! My family's distracted, so I have a chance to get our dishes filmed for you before they come devour them. My son likes his plain like a sloppy Joe. You can put a piece of cheese on the bottom and have it's really good with mozzarella or Swiss or provolone. It's excellent. Any of those nice white sharp cheese. Me and my daughter like it open face sandwich style, which is half a bun, a hamburger bun, big old pile of mashed potatoes, and then the gravy on top. She doesn't like as much gravy as I do. I like mine just covered in it. She likes just a little. And then my husband likes his plain mashed potatoes with gravy and a couple of buns. Now you can also put it on top of biscuits, but I didn't have any biscuits. Alright, there's some ideas for you. Thanks for joining me for Freeze Dried Friday. See you later. Remember, stay positive. Bye.